In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Netmirror in PC. Because Netmirror is primarily a mobile app, we will set it up on a Windows computer using an Android emulator. Don't worry, this is straightforward and I will walk you through each part so it's clear and easy to follow. First, head to the official BlueStacks website and download the latest version of the emulator for Windows. Make sure you are on the legitimate site to avoid any unwanted software, and give the installer a moment to download. When it's finished, open the file you just downloaded. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. This usually involves agreeing to the terms and clicking Install. The process can take a few minutes, depending on your system. So be patient and let it finish. Once BlueStacks is installed, launch it. The first startup can take a little longer as it sets up the Android environment. When BlueStacks opens, sign in with your Google account so you can access Android features and the Play Store inside the emulator. You only need to sign in once, and this helps BlueStacks manage apps and updates, just like a real Android device. Next, inside BlueStacks, open the built-in web browser. In the browser's search bar, type netmirror.app and go to the official site. Take a second to confirm you are on the correct page before proceeding. On the site, look for the option to download APK and click it. The APK file will begin downloading inside BlueStacks. Not on your Windows desktop, which is exactly what we want. When the download finishes, click the APK file to start the installation. BlueStacks will automatically recognize it and guide you through the install process, showing you a simple prompt. Confirm the installation and wait while it completes. When you see the success message, click Done instead of Open so you return to the BlueStacks home screen. You should now see the Netmirror icon on the BlueStacks home screen. Click it to open the app and then follow the on-screen instructions within Netmirror to set it up the way you prefer. If you don't immediately see the icon, check the My Games or Apps sections or use the BlueStacks search bar to locate it. A quick tip: keep your internet connection stable during downloads and installations. And close other heavy programs if your PC feels slow while BlueStacks is setting up. That's it. Thanks for watching.